staff augmentation, if you look at the words, right? Staff augmentation. So you want to increase your staff, right? You need to staff up. You need to increase the number, and we're talking about PHP development, obviously. So I'll keep it focused on PHP development. So you want to augment your staff. So for whatever reason, you do not want to hire full-time employees. Okay, so that's very important. Because a lot of companies, they will just hire more employees. But for whatever reason, and that's really another video, why would you use a firm instead of hiring in-house employees? But for whatever reason, you need to increase your team. You don't want to hire full-time employees. So you need to staff aug, right? You need to increase your staff. And it's literally outsourcing to outside of your organization. However, those resources are considered an extension of your current team. So that's a good way to put it, is staff augmentation is an extension of your current team. So let's say, for example, you have a 10-person team. So you might have 8 PHP developers, a sysadmin, a designer. Whoever you augment your staff with are just going to be joining that team. So they will come onto your platforms. For example, let's say you're using Jira as your project management tool or your ticketing system. They will be added to your Jira. They will be pretty much transitioned into your team as if they are full-time employees. However, there's many advantages to staff augmentation.